Righto, Edshed viewers, it's the Edshed. Well, I survived the COVID vaccine, so I've had it. Arm hurts a bit, feel a bit weak, feel a bit lethargic, got a headache, feel a bit like, I don't know, like exhausted. But other than that, I'm not allowed to feel exhausted because I've got lots to do. And today is a bit of a strange day because I had things in my mind I wanted to do and it's not really sort of going to plan. I need to find the parts. Now, I've said in some other videos, which you probably will have seen, everything, that I've done the engine, which is obviously there in front of you, looking lovely and gorgeous. I've got to find the clutch today, and I've got to make a decision on the bell housing, and I've just which gearbox I'm going to use. So, I've got to extract from my storage unit down the bottom here my Mark II, which refuses to go. It started, but the brakes are jammed on solid. So that's why I thought, rather than alcohol, I'll try a cup of tea. It would hurt, would it? Right. So I did buy yesterday something very, very interesting. And what I will say is, if you want to walk this way, not like that. No. Look at that little gearbox that leaked all its bloody gear oil out. So that's lovely. That was a good job. Right. So in here, I will show you a world exclusive. This is a world exclusive. This is my bonnet bits, and they've all been. Someone's actually shot blasted it and primed it, and I mean, to be honest, it is all pretty rough. But anyway, down on the floor there is the other 3 Range Rover wheels, which my friend painted for, and I've got already one on the Range Rover. So they got ready to get their new tyres on, right? But here is the interesting part. Hidden in the back of the old van is Bonnet. Now, she has got a few holes, but nothing worse than the car's got. And she has been also shot blasted. You can see she's got some, you know, she has got some brine damage on her. But if you look inside it, when you've had a look over the top of it, look at that bonnet mounting paint. You see the captive nuts? It looks great, doesn't it? Yes, it does. It's got some pinholes, which I'm going to obviously probably either weld over, plate up, or whatever. It's obviously an American spec bonnet. It's got extra holes everywhere, so they're all going to go. And fortunately, I do have some of the good sort of structural integrity pieces in different locations in and around the old Edshed. So from that point of view, we got a bonnet. But we haven't got one thing we really wanted, which was a windscreen. And the gentleman thought he had a windscreen, but unfortunately he didn't. So we'll now go down to the lair. My life. That's my beaut. That's my baby. Look at it, she's lovely. She's going to get her new wheels and tyres on it too. And then she's going to look really bad because obviously I'm going to have to like paint the whole thing on that. Right, Minnie, we need a gearbox for. If anyone's got a gearbox. Right, here. And this is the International Storage Facility, and this is the Mark II. And she runs, but the brakes are so solid on it that it actually, I've let the clutch out and she just sat there. So I think there's some real issues. Unfortunately, I don't know where I can get her there. I can probably jump her back on the starter, but I'm screwed because everything's behind it over there on the corner. So this, you can see, this is got to be done today. And this is also where there's an R380 gearbox on the floor behind. Now if you go back into the delves there, the realm, the delves, you can see up to there, engines, gearboxes, and there is an R380 rover box, which is due to come out. So from that point of view, that is the gearbox I might use, or I might use the thing. It depends whichever's going to be the easiest. All the interior for the car's up there along with other stuff, and there's all the rest of the crap for it up there. And here's my Range Rover Webasto Safari sunroof. Go in my Range Rover. That's a big job. I'm not looking forward to that one. That's going to be with a tin opener. That's going to be fun. So, as I said before, guys, I'm going to shut you off there. Say, when you see me again, hopefully we'll have a pile of stuff up the top ready to go and assemble. So like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.